In this video I am going to tell how to make money using cryptocurrency. So you're interested in getting into crypto and want to turn Bitcoin into cash. You've heard all of the success stories, people making millions of dollars by getting in early and selling when the prices are high. Or perhaps you have friends who make a steady income by mining cryptocurrency. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but not all end up doing that. A lot of people either simply give up along the way, or lose money because they do not properly understand how to make money with cryptocurrency. If you are wondering how to make money with cryptocurrency, look no further. Strategies for making money with crypto rely on three mechanisms. Firstly, you can invest or trade in the crypto exchange market. You can do this without owning any crypto yourself, like investing in gold on the stock market. Secondly, you can use the coin you already own to stake and lend coins to the system or other users. Thirdly, you can participate in the blockchain system by mining or receiving coin rewards for work done in the system. Based on these three mechanisms, here are the 6 strategies for making money with cryptocurrency. Let's see them in detail. Number 1 way to make money is investing. Investing is the long-term strategy of buying and holding crypto assets for some time. Crypto assets are generally well suited to a buy and hold strategy. They are extremely volatile in the short term but have tremendous long-term potential for growth. The investing strategy requires you to identify more stable assets that will be around for the long term. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to show a long-term price increase and can be considered a safe investment in this regard. Number 2 is trading. While investing is a long-term endeavor based on the buy and hold strategy, trading is meant to exploit short-term opportunities. The crypto market is volatile. This means the prices of assets can increase and decrease in price dramatically over the short term. To be a successful trader, you need to have the proper analytical and technical skills. You'll need to analyze market charts on the performance of the listed assets so that you can make accurate predictions about price increases and decreases. When trading, you can either take a long or short position, depending on whether you expect the price of an asset to rise or fall. This means you can make a profit regardless of whether the crypto market is bullish or bearish. Number 3 is staking and lending. Staking is a way of validating crypto transactions. If you are staking, you own coins but you don't spend them. Instead, you log the coins in a cryptocurrency wallet. A proof-of-stake network then uses your coins to validate transactions. You receive rewards for doing so. In essence, you are lending coins to the network. This allows the network to maintain its security and verify transactions. The reward you receive is similar to the interest a bank would pay you for a credit balance. The proof-of-stake algorithm chooses transaction validators based on the number of coins you have committed to stake. This makes it much more energy efficient than crypto mining and does not require you to own expensive hardware. You can also choose to lend coins to other investors and generate interest on that loan. Many platforms facilitate crypto lending. Number 4 is crypto social media. Multiple blockchain-based social media platforms will reward you for creating and curating content. You are often rewarded with the native coin of the platform. Number 5 is mining. Cryptocurrency mining is how to make money with cryptocurrency like the original pioneers. Mining is still a crucial component of the proof-of-work mechanism. It is where the value of a cryptocurrency is generated. If you mine a cryptocurrency, you are rewarded with new coins. To mine, you need technical expertise and upfront investment in specialized hardware. Running a master node is a subset of mining. It requires expertise and significant upfront and ongoing investment. Number 6 is airdrops and forks. Airdrops and free tokens are distributed to generate awareness. An exchange might do an airdrop to create a large user base for a project. Being part of an airdrop can get you a free coin that you can then use to buy things or to invest or trade. A blockchain forks because of changes or upgrades in a protocol that create new coins. If you hold coins on the original chain, you will typically get free tokens on the new network. This means you get a free coin because you were in the right place at the right time. Finally, we come to the end of this video. Knowing and understanding the strategies above will be really helpful if you have a good grasp of the concepts around cryptocurrency. These are the best ways to make money with cryptocurrency. I will explain each method in a detailed manner in our next videos. So subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get best financial videos.